Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to start immediately by forcing WinRe if the Windows security screen is black. Press and hold the power button 3 times to trigger automatic repair. Once WinRe appears, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. If that fails, boot from a USB installation media and select Repair your computer. Make sure to use an admin account or Microsoft credentials. This gives you access to safe mode and command line tools that you'll need next to repair system components. Once in safe mode or command prompt, repair corrupted system files. First run sfc/scanno to scan and repair protected files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore Windows image health. If Windows Security's UI is blocked, check services. SC query WinDefend and SC config WinDefend start equals auto, then net start WinDefend. Make sure to restart after each major command. This ensures services reload correctly, and the security app can rebuild its components and finish by rebooting into a normal session and opening Windows Security to confirm everything loads. If the black screen persists, create a new administrator account and sign in to see if the issue is profile specific. If that fixes it, migrate your data. As a last resort, perform an in-place repair install using a Windows 11 ISO to preserve apps and files while reinstalling system files. If something goes wrong, use safe mode to undo changes or restore a system restore point immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.